Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change this label print setting on your Canon PIXMA. So first go over to the settings right here. Now let's go over to device settings, and here go to PictBridge settings, click OK. And here click this label print setting. Here you guys can change the outer circle and the inner circle, and it's all up to your preference. So basically, after you select something here like 118 and then click OK and standard, then those settings will automatically change. So as you guys can see, now it's 118. Now let's click OK, click standard. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.